Here is actually what's happening. So Elon bought Twitter for $44 billion. He then lost half of its value for his investors. So he has to figure out, how do I make these investors happy so they will keep giving me money? So what does he do? He merges Twitter with his AI company so that those investors now have stock in this unprofitable AI company. But SpaceX then buys the AI company, but not for any cash, for stock in SpaceX. So now his Twitter investors have stock in SpaceX. This is where it gets crazy because now he takes SpaceX public and he changes a bunch of rules so that these people can sell out early. So now all of these Twitter investors have stock in SpaceX and he's about to do this massive IPO. The biggest actually in history, where he is valuing SpaceX at $1.75 trillion so that he can let his Twitter investors sell out and recover their money through the SpaceX IPO. This crazy valuation of 1.75 trillion would make it the sixth biggest company in the world. It's a bigger valuation than Meta, Tesla, and even Berkshire Hathaway, and it's literally right up there with Amazon. And they are trying to convince us that this company is worth 107 times sales. For context, when Meta went public, they were only 28 times sales, and they had 88% revenue growth, while SpaceX only had 15% revenue growth so far this year, but also had losses increase 700% year on year. Now, they do have revenue through Starlink, but they don't have enough revenue to justify this crazy valuation. So I won't be buying the IPO. However, I will be keeping a close eye on this stock long term, because although the numbers don't look good now, if anyone can turn this company around, it's definitely Elon Musk. So I will be staying away from the IPO personally, as I do believe it is going to be very volatile, and I'll probably revisit it once all the hype settles down.